Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. DIY craft videos. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. This is Easter centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very classy and very pretty Easter collection for you guys. These are most amazing and super classy and most beautiful Easter centerpieces ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these Easter centerpieces decoration ideas. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are top trending, top unique and most beautiful collection for you guys. Always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos, always take care of yourself. If you want different kind of Easter centerpieces decoration ideas, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel. These are super classy Easter egg centerpieces decoration ideas. You can purchase these art or your centerpieces ideas from different websites. And you also make these centerpieces at home very easily. These are very creative and very amazing ideas for you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want different kind of videos about craft, then you leave the comment section. These are very super amazing, super classy and very easy craft work for you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and you enjoyed this video. I hope so, and like this video and share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are amazing, these are very unique and very classy craft work for you guys. You can decorate your home with these centerpieces like eggs, like baskets or flowers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And these are very pretty, these are very unique ideas for you guys. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and share this video with your family and with your friends. and decorate your homes with these beautiful Easter decoration ideas. These are super classy, these are very amazing and unique Easter decoration ideas, and you can watch different kind of images of Easter decoration ideas in this video. It has 100 plus pictures of Easter decoration ideas. So keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very classy, these are very amazing, these are very unique ideas, and these are very latest ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. So guys, I hope so you like this video, and must share this video with your friends, with your family members. These are very pretty, these are very amazing, and these are very unique ideas, very classy ideas for you guys. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. So take care, always be happy and think positive, and follow for more details, and keep sharing my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.